To another video. Today we are going to modify native splash screen in Android. As you know, from Android 12, Android operating system introduced the native splash screen. It looks like a blank screen with your app logo, and we are going to modify that. For a start, you should add this dependency in your Gradle file and sync it, and you can go to your theme. So here we are going to inherit the native splash screen from Android. So I delete this and I add theme.splash screen. So this is inherit the main core library, and this is my my theme. Okay, I'm going to open the tag and start writing it. So for first I want to make the splash screen black, the background of it. So I add item window splash screen background, and I said I want it black, and there we go, we get it in black. So now I want to change the animation icon, window animated icon, and for example I just want the forward, not the whole package. So I said drawable dot foreground. Okay, it's just Android logo, not the background of it, as you can see. Also we can add some text in bottom of it, so I can change that too. I want to say item window splash screen icon background. Yeah, and I want to say I want it purple. And I think we should add some image too. So we will say item window branding image, and we will add, for now because we don't have image, we say we wanted the background of it, so it's a green thing. Yeah, and I think we can remove this part too. Let me see, icon window action bar false. Yep, I think I should say we don't want title. Yep, it's removed. And for this error, it says it's just going to work for Android 31, API level 31 and forward, because our mid SDK is 24, it gets us this error. Android 31 is basically Android 12. Android level 31 is 12. Now if we go here, it's gone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, you can like the video and subscribe to my channel.